the mall right now and I just got my nails done. I got some gel nails done and it's kind of affordable considering that their service was really good. I like how it also came with like a mini arm massage. It was so relaxing. And the lotion that they use is very smoothing for the skin. I feel like a baby again with my skin right now. And it just smells so good. So yeah, my mom's also getting her hair and her nails done. So to show you guys what I'm wearing this supposedly off-shoulder top, some black denim shorts, and some of these flip-flops that I got from Shein. The shorts I got from like a local department store here, and the shirt I got it back from the Philippines. So it's like 9 p.m. and I'm just waiting for my mom to finish. So we're at Starbucks. I'm gonna have dinner now after getting our nails and hair done. I got an iced caramel macchiato, a Cajun chicken sandwich, and some strawberry cheesecake for dessert. So I got my coffee to go, and now we're on the way home. I will see you guys tomorrow and enjoy the last bits of UAE. Char, bye. Yeah, we're going to Burj Khalifa tomorrow. And what else? What else are we gonna do? Just that? Okay. Hi guys, we're now in Dubai Mall metro station and we're currently walking. The metro link is gonna take forever. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Hi guys, so as I'm editing this video, I realized that I forgot to film an outro for this day. So let's just pretend that I did, and now let's move on where I finalized packing my stuff. This is actually pre-recorded, so you would notice that my nails are different. Yeah, let's move on. Then for the external compartment, I'll be bringing nothing yet. My mask chain and a hand sanitizer. Yeah. I might be bringing my AirPods in here, and then my phone charger in one of these compartments. And yeah. Now if you're wondering, this bag is from Guess. It's the pink ivory one, I think. It's in this really nice leather, more of like a pale pink color, and then I have this keychain with me. I plan to add my Tata keychain as well. And yeah, that's it for my carry-on. So for the makeup items that I will be bringing with me in my carry-on bag, I'll be putting them in this Dior makeup bag that I got as a gift. It's really spacious. So first, let's put on some face products. For my makeup, I have all of them in this Roll and Go bag I got from Amazon. And these tissue just cover makeup brushes. So, and it has 4 big compartments.